Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to delete Gmail contacts from your iPhone. Okay, so if you open your phone app, or the Contacts app, and you see that Gmail contacts are showing up in your list, here's how to get rid of them. First, head back to your home screen and find the Settings app. Open that up. Now scroll down, almost all the way to the bottom, until you see Mail. Tap on Mail. At the top of the Mail settings, you'll see Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. Now, select the Gmail account that's associated with the contacts you want to delete. In my example here, it's labeled KW Media. Tap on your account. Now, simply toggle off the Contacts option. You'll get a pop-up asking if you want to delete these contacts from your iPhone. Once you're ready, hit Delete from my iPhone. And just like that, those contacts will be gone. So if we go back to our phone app or Contacts app, you'll see they've been successfully removed from the list. You can now use your iPhone just as you normally would. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips.